Hello everyone and welcome to my channel.
In today's video, I'm sharing a few aesthetic DIYs I made over the years. The first project is shaped candles. For that, you'll need warm water and candles. Soak candles in warm water for 15 minutes, then start bending. Make sure water is not too hot, otherwise candles would melt. You can give the candles the shapes you want, just make sure you do it slowly. You can also use a peeler to shape the bottom and make it flat to stand easily. The second project is crystal photo display. For this, I bought colourful crystals. I also used aluminium craft wire and wire cutters. First, I wrapped the wire around the crystal. Next, I created a small loop at the top of the wire to hold the photo. Then, did the same steps with the other crystals. And this is how the result looks like. The next project is a face jewelry tray. For that, you'll need air dry clay, a rolling pin, a knife and some water. Cut a portion from the clay and roll it out. Once you get the thickness you want, cut your desired face shape. I cut an oval shape for mine. Then, cut another portion and roll it out to make thin coils for the details of the face. You can also use some water to make the clay pieces stick easily or smooth out the edges. Then leave it to dry. Once dry, you can use sandpaper to fix rough edges. And in the end, you can go over the dish with matte finish. For this project, you'll need soy wax, a mason jar, a melting pot, soy wax dye chips, a heart-shaped silicone mold, a drop and spoon, and candle wick. First, I started with preparing the white base of the candle. For that, I made a double boiler and melted the wax. If you want, you can also add fragrance oil of your choice. Next, I placed the candle wick and poured the wax into the jar. I left it to set and started making heart-shaped wax melts. For that, I used a few pieces of dye chips and a small amount of wax. I stirred it until it's completely mixed and melted and poured the wax into the mold. And I did the same with the other colors. Once all set, I removed them from the mold. To stick the hearts to the white base and to each other, I melted more wax and used a dropper to add it to the surface of the candle. The last project is a simple aesthetic gift wrap. Wrap the gift box using brown wrapping paper and twine, then add your choice of fresh flowers to decorate the box and secure them with twine.
Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. See you in the next video. Bye.